Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm once again super excited for because I have done a haul video in the past and I got a lot of requests asking if I could do another one again, and I'm excited because this time they reached out to me and they asked if I'd be willing to do a haul video for them. So they would send me a couple of items and I'd review them and let you guys know what I think. I honestly did not expect for them to ever reach out to me. I feel like I've made it at this point, even though I'm just a small YouTuber that has the same channel and same white room aesthetic as every other YouTuber on here. I don't know, I just feel really blessed. It's a clothing brand that I've shopped at for years that I trust, and I've never had any problems with them at all, ever. Their packages always arrive on time. It's always exactly what I order. The only time I feel like I ever make a return is if I order an item of clothing and I just don't like the way that it looks on me. That's on me, that's not on the clothing brand. So today I will be doing a huge unboxing for Dollskill, and let me just show you. It's a whole box of stuff and I'm so excited. I got this all for free. What is my life? I feel blessed. I feel like it's really important to count your blessings in life, so I think now would be a good time to start unboxing everything. Oh my god, there's always words that I don't know how to pronounce. I didn't realize I was this stupid until I started doing these unboxings, and now I'm just kind of I don't know how to say that. So this is the Body Baby patent jacket. I hope that's how you say it. Sorry, the light's coming in really harsh right now. Let me put my glasses on so that I can read off of my iPad. That was real pain. That really hurt, Charlie. That hurt so bad. Ow. Mother trucker, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. Anyways, this is the Body Baby patent jacket. It feels like a vinyl. I said it right this time. Don't even try and at me. It feels like a vinyl latex type material on the outside. And it has this nice fur trim collar, which I think will look super cute. It's very 90s, 2000s, which I love. This jacket is really cute. I'm gonna feel like Elle Woods wearing this.
In the words of the wise Paris Hilton and Kim Kardashian, this is literally so cute.
Alrighty, up next. Oh my gosh, the sun is coming in so bad right now. So this is the Sugar Thrills Jeepin' Around mini skirt, and this is from, they dropped a Clueless collection back in September. This is from that. I actually bought most of the stuff from that Clueless collection, not even gonna lie, but I missed a couple of things, but I did buy from them, and this was one of them. I really like the design. It's a thinner skirt, so it'd be great for springtime. Maybe wear a pair of tights underneath.
I really like the simple black and white pattern on this skirt. I feel like it'll pair very nicely with a lot of things in my wardrobe.
This is oh my god, I hate these things that always come out. Alright, this is the Rollin' with the Homies crop top, and I'm super excited to wear this. I love that scene in Clueless where Ty gets knocked out by something, and then she's trying to gain her consciousness back. She's rolling with the homies. It's so cute. It's just such an innocent, cute scene. That is one of my favorite movies.
I like that this is a tie top because you can wear it with nothing under it, or you can wear it with a tank top underneath if you don't want to show as much. And I think that it pairs really nicely with this jacket and the skirt as well. I think this would look really cute with a pair of maybe some black tights. I'm wearing over the knee boots because I live in New York and it's the middle of winter, so it is freezing outside, but your girl's still gotta stay stylish, you know what I'm saying? I think this outfit is super cute. I give it a 10 out of 10.
This is from the Poster Girl collection. These are the Poster Girl Grad Status biker shorts. It has this leather strip down the side, and then it's more of the stretchy latex type material. But I think this will look super cute and sexy at the gym.
I got these biker shorts in a size extra small and they do fit a little bit snug, but that is just the fit of these shorts. Personally, for working out, I don't like to feel too restricted by the clothes that I'm wearing. I usually wear like loose shorts and like a t-shirt. So I'll probably be wearing this more as a street style look with maybe like a baggy t-shirt and some Nikes. I think that would look really cute. Most importantly, these shorts do you bun some justice, so I definitely recommend.
Right here is my pretty boy.
Dude, I watch way too many TikToks. Okay, so like this is what the box looks like when you first open it, like this holographic stuff. And then gonna take out some shoes. So excited to do this. Comes in a bag. And oh, there they are. Look at these beauties. I know that Ariana Grande wore these in her Thank You Next music video, which I am obsessed to the gods with Ariana Grande. I don't know why, but she just like, she makes me feel like I could definitely go for girls. Just saying. These are the shoes and I'm obsessed with them. I think these are really cute. I love the little platform heel. I have so many like platform heels. I'm probably never gonna wear them out because I can't walk in them, but I like have been collecting shoes from Dollskill for the past few years. I don't know why I do it, but I'm obsessed with them, you know? These are the Holy Revelation platform heels. They do only run in full sizes, so like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm usually an 8.5. And when I got the 9 initially, it did fit a little bit bigger than I would like. So then I returned it and I just forgot to like get another pair until recently. And so I got these in a size 8 instead. So if you're a half size, I'd recommend to go down a half size instead of up. Oh, I'm excited to show you guys those ones. I think I wore them in one of my previous videos. If you guys go back to my Crybaby unboxing, it was definitely in there.
I like how different these heels are compared to what you see most people going out in. I like to be just a little bit different and spice up my outfits a little bit. You know, you gotta stand out. I do not know how to walk in platforms yet. I am very, very clumsy, like you would not believe. But once I learn to walk in them, it's over for you guys.
Oh yeah, baby! I'm so excited for this one. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. This is the Aurora Beam Holographic Snowsuit. Ah! So I do ski. I'm not a professional skier. I'm like a blue square, or I think it's like blue square. I don't freaking know. I'm like the blue type skier, you know what I'm saying? And so this is a ski suit slash snowsuit. So this is a snowsuit. You can go skiing in it. You can do a snow angel, do whatever you want. And the fun fact is the legs down here detach. It has like a little zipper down here and you just unzip it and then it becomes like shorts. I guess that's more of like a raver outfit. I've only been to like Lollapalooza before. And I always get my outfits from Dollskill, their Club X collection. This is part of Club X. So that's more of like the rave section of their website. So it has like a fur trimmed hood and then it just is it very much feels just like a snowsuit. There's not too much to say about this, but it's like an iridescent like purpley green type color. It's awesome.
So now that we've established that this is a super mobile snowsuit, you can definitely dance in it on the mountaintop or at a rave, whatever you're doing. You can do whatever you like with that. It does heat up quite fast. I realized I was sweating after dancing. But you can also unzip the legs if that is a problem and take your pants off. And then you have it so that it is just shorts after you take the leg parts off of it. And it looks kind of cool still even then, but I'm probably just going to be using it as a snowsuit. I do have to say the only downside to this snowsuit is that it was a bit tight around the crotch region for me. I don't know if that's just a problem that I have or if other people have it. I think that if I sized up from an extra small to a small, that would definitely resolve the issue. It is such a cute snowsuit. It looks so good. I'm excited to wear this next time I go skiing.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and a very special thank you to Dollskill for reaching out to me to make this video. I honestly am so lucky and I do not take it for granted, so thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to find me on social media, my Instagram is @faithay, so it's FAITHAYYYY. In the description box, I'll be sure to put each item and the direct link to them so that you guys can find them, and I'll also add my sizing next to it. Is that all I have? I think that's it. Love you. Bye.